Hello my gorgeous people. So today's International Sushi Day, so I will be showing you guys, oh you're biting my lip. So I'll be showing you guys what we get later on in Happy Sumo, because we were there last year as well and it was so delicious. We went about I want to say 3-4 times last year. This year I think we're only gonna go once because we're a bit far away from it, and also because we kind of wanted to make the sushi more enjoyable because it's International Sushi Day. That's pretty much what's happening today. Okay guys, so the time right now is 7:15 and we are already ready to go to the old town to have our sushi for International Sushi Day. I'm so excited. So we just ordered a taxi and it's a Tesla. I've never been in a Tesla before, I don't think. Guys, this is our taxi. Oh, what the heck? How do these work? Oh. Guys, I think this is the fanciest car I've ever been in. Look at the size of that screen. Oh, fuck my seatbelt. So we have arrived at Happy Sumo. So this is Sheet. Look at the amount of stuff that they have, guys. So you can actually get all of this stuff. You just mark down the number on your yoke and then they just bring it down. Okay, so this is the dinner, 20 euros, all numbers included. This is the interior. It's very nice. I feel like it got fancier since the last time we were here. Okay guys, so we are seated at the booth. There's more seats back there and there's loads of seats here as well. But it's a very nice, beautiful restaurant. So if you're ever in Albufeira, come to Happy Sumo because you won't be disappointed. Okay guys, so like I was saying, this is how it works, right? So please place your order on the paper provided. So here it is with all the numbers, and then you get unlimited orders. Each person can order 5 dishes at a time. Subsequent orders will only be accepted on completion of the previous order, so there's no waste. Takeaway is not allowed, no exceptions unless you order for takeaway from the start. And then please do not order more than you need. Do not waste, which I think is pretty fair. But look at this extensive menu that they have. Literally so much stuff. Okay guys, so we've marked down on the sheet. Here it is. Look, first order. You can get up to 5 orders. So then we've marked down what we want, and then they take the sheet and then they just bring us what we ordered. Okay guys, so after they have taken our order, they cross off the first line because obviously that's the first round done. Guys, look at that. Look at that, guys. Oh my god. And look at the calamari. So here's our little chopsticks. This is the first one. Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, it's just way too good. I'm gonna try the calamari. So they come in rings, but I think they just chopped it up. What sauce is that? Oh. I don't know, guys, but the sauce is delicious. Guys, look at this. It's like a shrimp with a piece of salmon on top. What do you rate it out of 10 so far? 10 out of 10. Guys, I'm not even messing. It actually is a 10 out of 10. So we ordered round 2. Okay, so I got a nigiri with smoked salmon, and then these are just the crispy fried onions on top, and then there's salmon inside, and then we both got a dish, so it's on the way. And this is the egg fried rice, and Johnny also got egg fried rice. So I got chicken. Look how good that chicken looks. We also got more calamari and more rice, and Johnny got another Fanta. Sean got the mixed sashimi platter. And I think that's salmon, tuna, octopus. Look how scary that looks. Sorry. So he's gonna try the octopus. Is it nice? Is it?
Oh, actually, wait, hang on. No, it's really very fishy.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna try the octopus. I'm really scared because it looks very scary. Guys, this is the octopus. It looks really scary. Guys, that really is not for me. It's kind of bitter or something. I really am not a fan of that. Guys, you know what? We can always wash it down with a bit of salmon. So this is the raw... Oh, what the fuck? This is the raw salmon. A bit of soy sauce to make it nicer. Shani got his garlic prawns. They bring it out in the little pan, it's so cute. It's giving prawns. Okay guys, so I think this is the tuna. You can tell by the kind of purpley color. Dip it in the soy sauce, of course. It has a different texture to the salmon. I also ordered us duck and chips. Tony also got lamb. This is our 3rd round of foods, and I think this is it now. That's where we call it quits. So me duck arrived, and I forgot that it's the duck with the pancakes. Here they are, crispy duck. and this hoisin. Is this hoisin sauce?
Yeah.
And the pancakes, and I don't know what that is. Do you just have to like basically roll it up? Like, I'm making such a mess, guys. That is lovely. And here are Shani's lamb skewers. Not really a fan of lamb, but I'll try it. That's nice, actually. These were such a smash. This was good. This was good. I didn't like the octopus, and I didn't try that. I'm not going to try it either. If I was to rate the places we've been to so far on this trip, it would be Mr. Singh number 1, then here number 2, then the Chinese place yesterday number 3, and the grilled place number 4. Guys, we just left Happy Sumo. She was very, very delicious today. And we're just probably gonna go for a little walk because I feel like after that food we probably will need to walk around 5 hours. Sorry, my forehead looks so oily and shiny, but because it actually is. But oh my god, guys, that food did not disappoint. What did you think?
It was amazing.
And they gave us this little coffee sweet after we paid, and it's so tasty. It's actually very busy. Guys, I hate this trip so badly. Controversial take. It's just so ugly. Like the other day we were walking past it and it literally smelled like fucking vomit. Sorry, just not for me. Like, I'm just not about that life. I'm more of like a coffee gal. I love going into like the city and just I don't know, I'm more of like a city gal. Okay guys, so it's 10 past 10 and we are finally back at the apartment. Guys, I feel so fat. Oh my god, it's actually unbelievable. I think I'm just ready to just hit day. And we have to wake up early tomorrow because we're going to Lisbon. I'm so excited. I haven't been to Lisbon in so long. Yes, I think me and Chenny are just going to call it a night if we're being honest because we're both so tired. I think that food kind of put us both in like a food coma. So we're probably going to end the vlog here. But thank you so much for watching all the one. And we will see you guys for another day in Albufeira on Friday because tomorrow it's going to be a whole separate vlog. Because we're going to Lisbon. My skin is like in such a bad state right now as well, but you know, it's grand. I'm probably gonna have a shower, just chillax for the night because I need it. But yeah, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.